Welcome to the only Breath of Fire tutorial that you will ever need. In this video, you will learn how to practice Breath of Fire and explore the powerful benefits this technique has to offer. Let's get into it. Breath of Fire, also known as Kapalbhati, is a rapid rhythmic breath used to energize and purify the physical body, the subtle body, and the mind. When I say subtle body, I'm referring to what the yogis call nadis and chakras, which are energy channels and energy centers. In Kundalini Yoga, Breath of Fire is a core technique used to help awaken and prepare the body for Kundalini activation. Breath of Fire has so many benefits that if I were to get into it, this video would be an hour long. So I narrowed it down to 3 that I think that make sense for beginners looking to enhance their spiritual practice. Now let's dive into the benefits. Benefit number 1, energy and vitality. Breath of Fire is a powerful cleansing breath that harnesses the power of the navel and third chakra. This practice stimulates digestion, speeds up metabolism, and purifies the lungs and blood while enhancing circulation and lung capacity. It also distributes pranic energy to every cell and organ and chakra in the body, leaving you feeling light, energized, and connected. Benefit number 2, resilience. Breath of Fire builds resilience by regulating the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, making you better equipped to handle stress. It's a versatile tool that can bring your nervous system to a state of deep relaxation, healing, and rest, or it can rally, energize, and focus your internal resources for taking decisive action. Benefit number 3, emotional balance. Breath of Fire is incredibly effective at breaking down mental and emotional blockages while healing trauma. With regular practice, it helps to heal anxiety and depression, process negative emotions, and release limiting beliefs, fostering a strong sense of confidence, connection, and clarity. It also builds willpower, helping you break old habits and cycles of self-sabotage. If you're struggling with your emotions, feeling overwhelmed, lacking drive or motivation, or simply just feeling stuck, Breath of Fire will give you the resources you need to shift yourself into a better situation. Before I dive into the technique, if you're interested in learning more about Kundalini Yoga, Pranayama, and meditation, I've created a free online course, community, and challenge. This course takes a deep dive into the fundamentals of Kundalini energy systems and comes with a community of like-minded individuals looking to expand and grow. You'll find a link in the comments and description section below. Now let's learn how to do it. Breath of Fire is a short and quick inhale and exhale through the nose. The exhale is active, the inhale is passive. On the exhale, actively pull the navel toward the spine. It should look like this. To inhale, relax the navel. The inhale is passive and should be automatic, and it looks like this. To end the practice, exhale fully, pull the belly in and pull the diaphragm up, and hold for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, squeeze the navel and root lock, inhale fully, and hold the breath in without strain for 10 seconds. Squeeze the energy up from the base of the spine to the crown of the head. Then exhale, relax the breath, keep the eyes closed, continue breathing through the nose for a couple of minutes, and experience your shunya, or inner infinity. When doing Breath of Fire, if you feel short on breath, pause for a moment, take an inhale, fill the lungs until you feel replenished, then start over. Do this as many times as necessary until you find a nice smooth rhythm. Don't force the breath, it should be calm and graceful. If you're a beginner, start with 1 to 5 minutes. There's no set rule on how long you should do Breath of Fire, but doing Breath of Fire for longer periods will give you a different experience. I'm a firm believer in the more that you do something, the better you get. Now let's do it together for 1 minute. Come to a nice tall seat and close the eyes. Using the nose for the entire sequence, take a deep inhale. Exhale fully. Inhale halfway and begin Breath of Fire. To end, exhale fully, pull the belly in and pull the diaphragm up and hold for 5 seconds. Squeeze the navel and root lock and inhale fully and hold the breath in without strain for 10 seconds. Squeeze the energy up the spine to the crown of the head. Then exhale, relax the breath. Keep the eyes closed. Find your center. Find your shunya, your inner infinity. Bring awareness to any wobbles and shakes that you're experiencing. Bring awareness to the quality of the mind. Don't skip this part, because this is where the deep healing and connection happen. This is where we learn how to regulate our nervous system with our awareness. If you want to take a deep dive into the benefits of Breath of Fire or Kundalini Yoga, make sure to watch these videos above and sign up for the free trainings and community. See you in the next video.